Hello kids, let's draw alphabets. A, B. This is B. C, D, E. Now let's draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Now let's draw 4. This is coloring time. This is red color. Red color in alphabet A. This is sky blue color. Sky blue color in alphabet B. This is yellow color. Yellow color in C. This is pink color. Pink color in alphabet D. This is orange color. Orange color in E. This is blue color. Blue color in 1. This is brown color. Brown color in 2. This is purple color. Purple color in 3. This is baby pink color. Baby pink color in 4. Thank you kids. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.